Hey guys, Dr. Rodman here, and today we're going to be talking about Rocktape's Infinity Ball. Just got this, love it. And let me open the box and show you what's inside. So the Infinity Ball is basically two lacrosse balls put together, and it looks like this. And you've probably seen this before. Some people call it a peanut. It was made popular by Kelly Starrett from Mobility WOD, where he talked about taking two lacrosse balls and taping it together. But you can see what happens after a while is, the tape starts to rip, the ball comes out, and they made a really nice ball where it's stuck together. And I'm just gonna talk to you about, why I love this ball. It's really good, and it does something that no other mobility balls can really do. And if you've watched our videos before, you know that pressure on a muscle releases tension. And that's the whole reason behind the lacrosse ball, is to get pressure on a muscle and help release that area. So as you can imagine, this is to have something in the middle here where you don't want to press on, and then two things that you do want to press on. So this would be good for like the Achilles tendon if you don't want to push on there, where you can have the calves on this side, or maybe even into your elbow where you want to maybe not push on the ulna, but really get right into that, the flexors of the elbow and the wrist. But what I love this for the most, my number one favorite thing that this thing can do that most things can't, is work on this area. So many people have problems in that upper thoracic spine because their heads are very in front of their body. If this is you, then this is a great video for you. So what this ball can do is really get into this area right here and self-massage. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. So what you wanna do is you wanna lay on the ground in a bridge-like position and place this ball where the spine would be in the middle, and these are pressing on the paraspinal muscles next to it. So it'll look something like this, right here. So the ball, you kind of want to roll up and down a little bit, and then once you find some really sore spots, you can get into a bridge and really massage that upper area. So this is something that no other ball can really do, because this ball will get on both sides where other ones will only get on one at a time. But this is a really unique property that this ball can do. So that is Rocktape's Infinity Ball for you. If you want to try one at home, just making a peanut by taking two lacrosse balls and taping them together, you can. But I found that this is great because it'll last, it'll hold up. You can even use it in your car, in your lower back when you're driving, and just get some pressure on the muscles while you're driving to release some of that low back pain. So hope you guys like our review on the Rocktape Infinity Ball.